If you tell women that they cannot be in ministry if they are not covered by a man, then you are saying that no single or widowed woman can ever do anything for the Lord, because in herself she is not good enough and not capable and too stupid to manage on her own. This is very insulting to women and not true at all. Women are very capable, sometimes more capable than men. I've heard some women giving way better sermons than men. So men, stop trying to limit and control women, even if she is your own wife. God called both men and women equally, under the covering of Jesus, to go preach the gospel, to drive out demons and heal the sick. And nowhere did he say that a woman cannot do any of these things unless she is under the covering or leadership of a man.